Hey guys, this is Jainish. In this video, we will talk about introduction to Docker. So, what is container? So, container, has been around in software industry from years since 2000, but it has become so popular. So, container is just a standard unit of a software package that includes everything, including runtime dependencies, including all the libraries, including the running environment. For example, if you want to run the Java microservice, Java is the a dependency. So, containers, you can have specific version of Java package inside the container along with your Java web application. Now, container image, basically a image, when you run the container, it becomes when you run Docker image or container image, it becomes a container. So container is the advantage that it brings it very lightweight as compared to VM, traditional VMs, which includes entire operating systems. Right, it's still lightweight and you can run in any operating system as long as you have underneath the container supported technology installed in the place. Now, what is Docker? So Docker is tool which became popular in by early 2014. It was created by Solomon Hykes. Um, so Docker is a tool designed to make it easier to create, run, deploy, and share containers. Right. So as I mentioned, in a way, it's very similar to very similar to VM, but the advantage is that it brings it very lightweight and it shares the OS capabilities. So basically, it gives it is very faster as compared to VM, and it's very easy to share the Docker image, between the machines, or you can share it using the cloud. That's where we have Docker Hub, which is a public repository or public registry to store all the Docker images. Now, why Docker? So, it's open source project, so that's a big plus if you want to use it, right? You can even contribute to enhance some of the capabilities, so that's a big plus. uh, it makes it possible to run the app on the same old server that we used to use. So industry has been going through the shift. Initially it was a mainframe computer, then from there it went to servers, then to uh, then to containers, which is popular nowadays, and even in cloud it went to cloud as well. But cloud eventually, nowadays everybody is running the Docker containers. And some of the technologies has been become very popular, which are on a layer on top of Docker, which is Kubernetes or Mesosphere or Docker Compose. Right, those are just container orchestration tools based or created on top of Docker. Right now, and you all know by now that majority all the companies are moving and adapting towards adapting Docker technology. It has become so popular, and Docker is the fastest way to enable your services to be deployed in cloud platforms. Right, many companies, you might have heard of many companies moving towards Docker and changing their monolithic services, splitting it down to microservices environment. And Docker plays a big role in there. Docker can enable you to run the same piece of software in all the different environment across, be it a development environment, be it a QA environment, be it a pre-production or a production environment. So it has all the advantages, which it brings, which it makes it very popular to use. So that's it for the introduction to Docker. In next video we will learn how to install Docker and how to run the first container. Thanks for watching.